Looking to create an adorable monthly milestone photo with your baby at home with supplies that you probably already have? I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to be sharing how to make our little turkey here. This video is part of a mini series all about fall monthly milestone photos, so make sure to go back, check that out. Hit that subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss future monthly milestone photo ideas. If you guys are new here, my name is Rachel from The Confused Mom. Welcome to my channel. I share baby and toddler product reviews, activities, and Montessori at home tips. So let's jump into the month of November. For it, you're going to want red, yellow, and orange construction paper and either a Cricut or scissors, a brown onesie for your baby, and then totally optional would be some fall foliage, pine cones, and if you really wanted to up-level it, you can even buy one of these crochet little turkey hats for your baby to wear. And all you're gonna do is start by cutting out your turkey feathers. My suggestion would be to only cut one at first. Lay that on the floor, set your baby over it, and make sure that it's going to be big enough. I personally went with a feather that was longer. That way it really kind of bloomed out to create a full, I don't know what that's called, tail feather type of situation. So definitely go ahead and measure that out. If you end up cutting them too small, it's fine. You just need more feathers to fill it in fully. It really just depends on the look you're going for. Once you know about the right size of your feather, you'll go ahead, cut out all the rest. From there, you'll lay out a white blanket or sheet, display out all the feathers, lay your baby in the center. If you're just doing the turkey baby and the letterboard or milestone photo card, I would suggest using the rule of thirds in photography. So make sure you have the grid lines on your phone, and when you have those grid lines on, you'll notice that there's a couple cross points over here usually and a couple cross points over here. When you are just using the baby and the photo board, so there's only two items, you're going to want to structure them in the frame. So one's in this third of a quadrant and the other's in this third of a quadrant, rather than having the baby full on center, a letterboard kind of floating up here. It's just going to create a more balanced, visually appealing photo in my experience. Now, if you're using fall foliage and pine cones, you would put your baby in the middle and fill in any empty white spaces with that fall foliage and pine cones, and then just figure out a spot to put your monthly milestone card. Once again, standing high up above your baby so that you're really getting an overhead shot, and feeling free to use any rattles, music, funny faces, enlist your partner if you need to, so that way baby is looking fully up and you're not getting kind of like the collapsed no neck look. It's taking more than a few minutes. Try again later. If you guys want more shooting baby tips, go back, check out the September video in this series. And if you guys want any photo editing tips, go back, check out my October video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend. As always, my name's Rachel. Have a good one.